Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to top up engine oil in your Nissan Juke. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine has cooled down completely. This is crucial for an accurate reading and safe handling. Next, locate the engine's dipstick, which typically has a bright yellow or orange handle, usually found near the front of the engine bay. Pull it out gently. Once you've located the dipstick, pull it out and use a clean cloth to wipe off any oil. Then, fully reinsert the dipstick into its tube until it's seated properly. Pull it out again to get an accurate reading of your engine's oil level. The dipstick has markings, usually a minimum and maximum level, and your oil should ideally be between these two marks. If your oil level is low, locate the oil filler cap, often marked with an oil can symbol, usually at the center of the engine. Consult your owner's manual or a Nissan dealer for the correct oil type and viscosity, such as a CSC 5 SAE 0W20 or 5W30. Using a funnel, add a small amount of oil, perhaps a few hundred milliliters at a time. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then recheck the dipstick. Repeat this process until the oil is at the correct level, avoiding overfilling. Once the oil level is correct, securely replace the oil filler cap and the dipstick. Start your engine and let it run for a minute or two, then turn it off and check for any leaks around the filler cap or drain plug. This ensures everything is sealed properly. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals to help you stay organized and efficient. Remember, regular oil checks are vital for your Nissan Juke's performance and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.